Hi, today we are next to a BMW 1 Series E87 and I'm going to show you how to replace your fog lights bulb. So first thing of all, you need to select which side you want to start with, because you need to turn your wheels to that side. If we are going to start with the left one, you need to turn your steering wheel all the way to the left. There's a flap over there that we need to access, and if the wheel is straight or it's pointing into another direction, you will not be able to squeeze your hand inside here. So the left one is available and the right one is not. BMW is using H8 bulbs and I have an Aglint set over here. One bulb is still waiting to be replaced, and this is the original bulb that was in car before I started with it. And as you can see, I have one side switched to LED and the other one is still original. After you remove that cover, you can access the bulb. Just put your hand inside there, find it with your fingers, grab it firmly, twist it and remove it from the light assembly. There are two locks on the sides that you need to pry gently or just press very strongly with your fingers to unlock, to remove the bulb from the connector. And after you replace the bulb, just put it back in place. It's good to remember what was the original bulb position, to start with that position when you are putting it back in place, because the access is not very good and you will not see much from over here. You will have to try your luck to fit the bulb at your first time and lock it in place. And after you are done, just put the cover back on and check if the new bulb is working as expected. The Aglint bulb that I'm using is not CAN bus ready, so this bulb will produce a broken bulb error. Of course, you can code it out or use a resistor to cheat your control unit, just to avoid the broken bulb message on your display. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up if this video helped you and see you soon.